So today we're taking a look at how our patio's going, and I am so thrilled with what we designed here because we have the Belgian block as a frame, and we've raised the patio, and it's pitching so that the water's going to run off to me. I'm on the west side, and south on the ocean side. And this is a porcelain bluestone. And I'm telling you, I think it's just completely fabulous. So the patio wraps around the side of the house, and there's a shower where it ends down there on the wall, which is just a rinse-off shower. We couldn't do much more than that. And today we're putting in, so I'll be back Friday. Today we're putting in the sliding doors, 14.5 feet on that side. But look at how fantastic. These guys are the best. We have sloped it so it pitches and the water's going to run off towards the south where I am walking now. And we have a tight grout line, which is phenomenal. And it dies into the edge of the next property, and we're going to have a row of 8-foot Hetzi junipers there, which will be tall, kind of like that hedges down there to the far end, but columnar. So I'm just so excited. It's just absolutely fantastic. They're the best. And then you can see that the bluestone continues the Belgian block as a border, and then we'll dig out this 2 foot by 16 foot in-ground planting area. Oh my gosh. Ciao for now. A day at the beach.